Hey, good afternoon, guys. Robert Barry here. I just want to take this time to wish everybody a wonderful new year, and I hope that you guys find prosperity in new year. And what I wanted to do today was to give you an overview of the marketing system that I use in my businesses. And this marketing tool that I use, it's called Lead Lightning. Lead Lightning is the marketing tool that I use, and it's a one-time payment of $7, guys. One-time payment of $7, okay? And that is going to give you access to the exact same tools that I use. And so firstly, I just want to go into my email box and show you guys how effective this system is in terms of getting leads and the accuracy of collecting or receiving your commissions. And so let's take a look. All right, and here on the 4th, 2 days ago, I got 2 opt-ins into my business, and I've been in contact with those persons. Here is another one on the 30th of December. Oh, and also, I'm glad this is here. This is also showing that I received a commission of $6 from a $7 buyer. Okay, and what are we looking at here? The 29th of December, I had another opt-in. And so, guys, this is proven to work. Once you stick with this, this is definitely going to get you exactly what you need, which is results. And this is what the opt-in page looks like. Okay, this is what the opt-in page looks like. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take you over to, once you would have opted in, the next step in this business. The next page that comes up once you would have entered your email address right in this box. Okay, so once you would have signed up for Lead Lightning, which is a $7 fee, you are going to have access into one of the best marketing tools that any online marketer can have. And so what you're going to do is you're just going to click the Getting Started button, and you're going to come down to this area. How do I get started? And that will take you on to it will take you into your tools, into how to setting up your Lead Lightning and how to go about leveraging this marketing tool to enhance your business. And so once you would have done that, you can get on over here. This is my Facebook page. You can reach out to me, add me, send me a message. I'm be more than willing to help anyone that is willing to reach out to me. And folks, like I said, this has helped me. This has helped me greatly. This has helped me greatly. And so at the bottom of this video is going to be a link that you can click on to come and join me and my team. And once that is done, you can reach out to me, Robert Barry, on Facebook, and I would be gladly make time to assist you. And so, guys, like I said, this is the marketing tool that I use to make an everyday living in the online marketing industry. And this marketing tool is Lead Lightning. Okay, I've shown you proof of collecting commissions. For every $7 person that joins, $6 automatically go to you, and you can see that it's reflecting here. Also, I'm getting opt-ins. I'm getting people. I'm putting my opportunity in the front of persons, and so that is what you see going on here. I just want to thank you guys. Like I said, At the bottom of this link is going to be a link that you can join, and as soon as that's done, you can come on over here to Facebook. You can add me, send me a message, and I'll be more than willing to assist you guys. Peace out.